This is inside the SAPI controller example that I selected, and you can see the technical data. So here's a picture of the power model, the pinouts right there. You can zoom on those. Then you can select any sensor and it will take you to the wiring diagram information, and also like this here, high voltage battery, depending on which one. So if it's APS AC 0 or DC 0, takes you to that specific part on the wiring diagram, and you can check the connection on the control unit. So there's already highlighted. You see it's the B one, looks like a B connection. And of course, besides all the technical data and the wiring diagrams, you do have the fault reading, clearing the faults, live measurements. So let's see how many on the SAPI CPM power model. Here's a list on the accelerator, next page, electric motor temperature, battery current, the switches, the angle and switches, all of those, brake switch, and so on. And the parameters you can modify on SAPI. Here's the speed limit, deceleration, hydraulic pump motor, maximum speed, electric brake level. So there's lots of modifications right here. Charging current differential, and that's an idea. So we saw an example. I know um, there are different technical data available for the different um, EC units models. Now that was happy. Let's go to Curtis. This is Curtis. Let's check the 1243 power model, and looks pretty much like SAPI. You do have the technical data, and there's the picture on the component, the pinouts. There are the different parts, and it takes you to a wiring diagram so you can check what's measuring right now. Oh, sorry, the display measurements, and then the wiring diagram to see exactly that part's location and connection. There you go. Those are the connections, and then you do the full core reading too on the on the Curtis power model. Takes you to technical data right from the fault if available. So here's the electric motor. It takes you to the wire and diagram connection. Then you can clear the faults. You have live measurements. Let's see how it looks here. It's a total of 12. So you have the resistance value, charge level of the battery, the voltage, throttle position, power model temperature, speed, and so on. Of course, you can record that and you can clear the faults. So yeah, I mean, as diagnostics, I mean, you have coverage. First, you can read and clear the faults, which is the most important thing, being able to see what the issue is on that forklift. And then you have basically the tool through the live measurements, the data recorder, and in some cases, additional technical information and special functions like running the system checks, doing regions in the case of a diesel engine, and the maintenance reset on the LPGs and the electric options on the body computer. So I hope this video was a little helpful. I know we just went through basically like 4 or 5 brands or models. If you need more, like if you want me to do a video for Young Heinrich, Doosan, um JLG, Genie, Skyjack, like I can do that if you need. There's Crown. I know I just show you like an LPG model, but you have gasoline and diesel. So yeah, let me know how we can help you, Gino, and I appreciate your time on watching this video. And you can select if you want to move forward or backwards. Um, but yeah, thank you. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.